Sir sent. Sir, tell mom to check my first. Let's go. कुछ गरम दूध बनवा दो कैसी जैसे तू बैठा
Ma'am, why have you written Veera here? It's naughty Veera.
Sir, it is naughty kush also.
Sir, not fair.
It's naughty Veera. I always get confused. Where did this new Veera
Ma'am,
come
can
from?
you send a hi to Mahi? Ragini ma'am, can you send a hi? How did Dr. Eva get it wrong? I don't understand. Naughty Kush.
Next 17 question.
Naughty Kush. Naughty Push.
Naughty Veera.
Naughty Fush.
More like naughty poo. How did Dr. Eva get it wrong? I'm just
This is the most easiest question in the whole universe.
Yes.
question.
This is a bachcha question. Bachcha.
How
did
we get it wrong?
How did Ivy get it wrong? How did
Guys, let's see. So, Dr. Eva and Ivy. So, this is one whole. This is one full pizza. Or,
typing mistake?
so, this is one whole. And how much is this? 1/2. So, Ivy, what will be my correct answer?
Sir, 4.
देखो ये 1 full है, ये half है, 1/2 है. What will be my correct answer, Dr. Ivy?
Sir, 4
बेटा 4 कहाँ से आ जाएगा मेरे बच्चे? 1 full कितने? It will be A. 1 full तो यही है. 1 whole 1 full तो यही है. समझ आ रहा है?
Typing mistake.
ईमान समझ आया?
Yes.
बेटा कुश एंड शिप स्टॉप फाइटिंग. कौन फाइट कर रहा है? So we have completed this.
17th question.
Can't believe my eyes. We have completed this chapter also. I think one question prep guides. Bacha, we can do it later. I can't believe, guys.
Sir, 17th question is left.
Fractions also completed.
Sir, today how many are absent?
I think.
This is left.
One is absent today.
And we can complete data handling,
Okay, sir.
which you guys love.
So very bachcha chapter.
No, sir, it is.
Yes.
It is.
It's a
Have we done the
chapter.
16th and 17th question?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1920 नहीं किया था.
Yes, I have not.
Sir, only one question.
No, two questions.
Sir, 20th तो दिखा दो.
How many more
चलो 20th कैसे दिखेगा?
spices mango trees?
दिख गया.
Next class we'll start measurements. The last chapter from IMO. Or we can complete reasoning.
क्या किया आपने? Sir, was fun to get a fun. Mama.
Sir, send. Let's go. Bira.
Mr. Bedri, time is up. He's disconnected. Dr. Eva, what are my answers?
Sir, I am sending.
Okay, you are sending.
Send, sir.
Jimmy Dogfish has joined.
I was at my swimming class.
But you should join on time. Naughty Veera, you got the second question wrong. How many neem trees did he buy? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 symbols. 6 symbols. And one symbol is 5. So 6 symbols will be 6 into 5. That is 30. My goodness, I couldn't believe my eyes when ma'am had put a tick on Naughty Veera.
Sir, I am giving this chapter.
This is the easiest chapter ever made by God.
So, no, sir, the easiest chapter is 1 plus 1. Yeah. Sir, I have this Thanos gauntlet. Infinity Stone.
So while doing from the book, you will guys will use your scale or ruler. Okay?
Sir, I will make you disappear with this. Haha. Duh.
I made the options disappear.
Huh?
और मेरे को फिर सुनना है।
So, so the line is in the middle. So the Tuesday's line in the middle of 10 and 20. What is the number? The Tuesday's line is in between of 10 and 20. What will be the number? Sir, cent.
Yes, Peter.
%.
So,
Ragini ma'am, please check little kids' answers. Why are you not checking little kids' answers?
Sir, Jimmy Dogfish's name is not there.
Ma'am, please add Jimmy Dogfish name also.
Ma'am,
He's Jimmy Dogfish.
sir, I don't know what happened to ma'am today.
Even I don't know that.
Mahi got the second one wrong.
Dr. Eva and Ivy, have you signed?
Sir, I think it will be a kid.
No, it is not. 3 kids have got it right.
Sir, I have joined the light went out. I understood.
So, Ivy
So it is a kid's
and
question.
Jimmy Dogfish.
Sir, I have said it.
Now see, how many more ice creams sold on Thursday than on Tuesday? तो Thursday को कितनी है 70, Tuesday को कितनी है 15, because between 10 and 20 it is 15. तो how many more जब भी आता है how many more and then it means subtraction. तो I will do 70 minus 15. That is equal to 55. So my answer will be equal to 55.
Sir, first I
On
was doing
which day
minus
65 ice creams were sold? 65 ice creams were sold here.
Monday.
Sunday हो या Monday? Have you heard that?
Sir, first I was doing 75 minus
Mahi got it
15.
wrong. Mahi बातें कर रहा होगा इसलिए गलत हो गया होगा.
No. तो anybody.
सर कल पता नहीं क्या है. Sir, tomorrow I will play PS5. Sir, 27 question. 27. Very good question.
हैं?
This is very bad question. Worst question can ever be created.
Okay, solve it.
Sir, why?
It's very easy. Oh my goodness, इतना easy question दे दिया मैंने आपको.
सर ये तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. इससे इजी क्वेश्चन कोई हो ही नहीं सकता लाइफ के अंदर. बच्चा
Yes,
क्वेश्चन से भी छोटा बच्चा क्वेश्चन है.
yes. Nike, why don't you speak in the class, Peter?
Send.
आपको मुझे शूज गिफ्ट नहीं करने इसलिए आप नहीं बोलते.
I am in
Yes.
serious mode.
ओ तो आपने
You
सीरियस
don't want
नाइकी
to
क्यों
get
नहीं
it
लिखा
correct.
आज आप सीरियस नाइकी भी तो लिख सकते थे. आई विल चेंज. Jimmy Dogfish.
Sir,
And serious Nike, give your answer. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 trucks, 17. Oh, I'm very, very sorry. 17 symbols. मैं फिर से काउंट कर लूं 3 + 2 5 + 4 9 + 3 12 + 5 17 symbols. One symbol is 10. So 17 symbols will be 17 multiplied by 10. 170 trucks.
Sir, only Mr. Bedi get it.
But all of you learned ना कि मैंने पहले symbols काउंट किए फिर मल्टीप्लाई किया.
सर मैंने तो साथ 10 20 30 ऐसे कर ही जा रहा था मतलब तो ज्यादा इजी हो रहा है सेम सेम
अच्छा, पर उसमें चांसेस ऑफ एरर ज्यादा है.
नो सर
नो सर.
इट बिकम्स मोर इजी
अच्छा.
मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करता पड़ता
अच्छा.
मैं तो 100 के बाद 10 20 ऐसे काउंट करने लग जाता फिर मेरे को 110 नहीं बोलना पड़ता इतना बड़ा सर कैन वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन
Yeah.
ओके मैं सीधे पूछिए क्या कर रहे हैं Sir, I read 500 books in a day, in a millisecond. That is true. And how many pages does that book have? Sir, do we have to do this question?
No, beta. We have to just visualize it.
We have to do that.
Serious Nike.
बारे बारे सुनिए.
Mess with her. Right? Serious Nike.
Life. सबसे नीचे से जाते हैं 80
I'm very scared of Serious Nike. Today there were black clouds. Kushwant Singh. Naughty Veera.
ये दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल क्वेश्चन है बाहर गायब हो
Nike. Serious Nike.
Sir, can I send the answer again?
Hope, Mr. Bedi and Dr. Evanjali.
Sir, I want to show you something.
Yes, Beti, you can show me something. What is this?
Sir, I made a stick of highlighters.
Oh, you have so many highlighters.
Sir, there are only 4.
4. And you know that astronaut is made on them.
The whole galaxy.
Acha, the whole galaxy. Chalo guys, Dr. Eva, it's time up. Now kids,
Not
just
that it's question, let's go.
those who got it wrong, I will ask one thing one by one. Naughty Veera,
Yes.
July, how many books were read?
July,
Sir, I know.
sir, 80, sir,
Sir, I know.
sir,
Start the button.
sir, 90.
90 is correct. So,
Kush-
Dr. Evanjali, how many books were read in August?
70.
70, very good. Then I will ask from
Let's go.
Kushwant,
Yes.
how many books were read in September?
Sir, my birthday date 20.
20.
14 September is my
And
birthday.
Jimmy Dogfish, how many books were read in October? अच्छा, Jimmy Dogfish का तो correct है. Serious Nike, how many books were read in October?
95.
95 is correct because I will see 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Then in November we have to do 60. तो guys मुझे July to November तक ही करना था. Most of you must have added December also. So I will add 90, 70, 20, 95 and 60. तो 5 ऑप्शन केवल एक में ही है. तो this should be my correct answer. Still I will add and check. 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 6, 33. My answer will be D part. Have we understood?
Yes, sir.
तो मैंने पूरा क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पढ़ा.
अभी तो पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ना इसलिए तो जरूरी होता है बाबू.
Then can we do the 30th question? I
I'm
mean, this
giving
will be a बच्चा question.
Sir, please 30th. It will be a
30th. चलो मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन कर दूंगा अगर मैं ऑप्शंस नहीं दूं तो.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I can't see the whole question.
The given pictograph shows the number of muffins eaten by your friends. Study it carefully and answer the question. How much less muffins did Priya eat than Nisha and Neetu all together?
21.
And after this question, the chapter will be complete.
हाँ.
तो कॉन्वेंट किड्स आपने मेजरमेंट्स पढ़ा है स्कूल में?
क्या?
दिस ईयर आपने मेजरमेंट्स पढ़ा है?
No, sir.
हमने तो पिछली बार हमने तो सेकंड में पढ़ लिया था.
अच्छा, आप पहले से ही पढ़ लेते हो सब कुछ. दिस चीटिंग.
No, sir.
No, sir.
सर सतपाल मित्तल स्कूल वालों ने तो कब फर्स्ट वाले से ही पढ़ाया हुआ है.
Oh, I wasn't
Sir,
aware.
सर, हमें भी फर्स्ट से ही पढ़ा दिया था.
Sir, sent. है? Sir, can you send again, please, 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 please?
Yes, you can send, but you
Please.
won't get the Kidzo. Because to be eligible for Kidzo, only one chance is allowed. Because Ragini ma'am is very strict.
Sir, sent.
My goodness, मैंने तो बहुत गलत डील कर ली है, तो बहुत लॉस की डील है.
Sir, मैं वापस चेक नहीं.
Sir, now you cannot do anything.
Yes, I can't do anything. ये तो कितना लॉस हो गया मुझे. 4 Kidzos लॉस हो गए. You know, today I will go to an eye shop. Eye, not a doctor, eye shop, glass shop where I can get my eyes checked.
Why?
Because I am able to see better without the glasses.
Sir, I cannot read anything.
Sir, can you open your camera? Sir? Sir,
I can open, but I am not wearing any glasses. I am looking weird and my beard is long and white.
Sir, let me see.
we want to make fun. Sir,
No, no.
open.
Sir, open your camera. Sir, open your camera.
Open your
Sir.
camera.
Sir, take them off. Take them off.
Sir,
चलो
please.
गाइस, डॉक्टर ईवा, लेट्स डू देम. मुझे कम दिखाई दे रहा है, बट शायद ये प्रिया में 4 मफिन्स हैं, 4 सिंबल्स हैं. ओ सॉरी,
Yes, sir.
4
True,
symbols.
true.
Sir. Sir.
And Nisha and Neetu. Nisha has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Neetu has 6. So Nisha and Neetu all together. Nisha and Neetu all together has
39.
39, 13 symbols.
Multiplied by 3 is 39.
So what is the difference? See
Sir,
guys,
3.
difference is 13 minus 4. That is equal to 9 symbols. And I can do 9 into 3 to get my answer as 27. So this is one method. Other method is what? Other method कौन सा होता है? अगर मैं यहीं पे पहले मल्टीप्लाई करूं, first I can multiply 13 times 3. So I will get what?
39.
39. And I can multiply 4 times 3. That is 12. Then I can subtract. I will get 27. तो answer is going to be 27. But अगर मैं पहले subtract कर लेता हूं, then it becomes slightly easier. तो Hope, Kushwant Singh, Jimmy Dogfish, Dr. Evanjali, Mahi and Naughty Veera. Understood?
Put my name only Kushwant Singh.
Sir, why did CR7 come today?
Just join.
So, yes, Dr. Evanjali.
Sir, I just joined.
Okay, beta. So what we will do is we
Oh,
have
light went out.
completed. Okay. There was no electricity, fine. I hope ये चैप्टर भी हो गया, हैंडलिंग भी हो गया. तो केवल लेंथ, वेट, कैपेसिटी एंड टाइम है. That I think हम 1 month बात करेंगे. We can finish reasoning till that time.
Sir, no.
क्वेश्चन करा दो.
रीजनिंग बुक जिसमें हमें रीजन देना होता है क्यों आंसर करेक्ट हुआ है.
सर,
Yes, sir.
आप हमें पोल क्वेश्चन करा दो.
Hope, आप कहाँ थे बेटा?
सर, मैं तो क्लास में थी.
आप क्लास में ही थे?
यस सर.
अच्छा, वो आपके टीथ नहीं है ना, उसकी वजह से वो आपकी वॉइस नहीं आई हो सकता है, ऐसा हो जाता है.
सर माहिर के पास तो सिग्मा ग्रैंड कैनियन है।
Sir, can we get a break before we start?
नटराज
Sir, poll question दे दो।
पोल नहीं, मैं ब्रेक दे दूंगा।
यार
तो गाइस अब
Yes.
डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे।
सर why does Mayer have a sigma grand canyon? And it is true.
So which chapter should I start with? These are
Sigma
difficult
grand canyon.
chapters.
Good
So
chapter.
ranking
Yeah.
Mirror images. Mirror
I will.
images.
What about geometrical shapes?
No.
please.
Mirror
Okay. Okay.
images. No, sure. No.
First, embedded figures.
Mirror images. Sir, do embedded
Mirror
figure.
images बेटा we cannot start today. उसमें मुझे पूरा आपको PPT दिखाना पड़ेगा. It is 30 minutes
Geometrical
long.
shapes कर सकते हैं. Geometrical.
Mirror figure. Mirror images.
हाँ सर. Secret language.
Sir.
There we can do geometrical shapes ही करते हैं हम. Okay guys, take a break. We'll resume after that.
Okay, sir. Where is noted?
Yes sir.
Sir, cut his kids'
Yes sir. Viraj.
चलो guys, do this question. Example 1.
Sir, I accidentally did it.
It's okay.
But this is a bacha question.
This is not a bacha question.
The saint. The time I have to check my mom doesn't check my.
Dr. Eva, start your camera.
How is this even possible? Sir, this is impossible.
Sir, let me set the answer.
No. Sir, this is not. Viraj, how did you get it wrong? What is the answer?
IDK. I just ID.
ID. How? Easy question. Easy question. IDK. The world's easiest question. Sir, what is the kids question?
It's cylinder.
Sir, what is the kids question?
Yes, sir.
It's cylinder.
So guys, time is up now. So we have rectangle
हाँ सही है.
and we have triangle and we have circle also. What we don't have is a square. Kushwan Singh understood?
Yes. I just did it to.
But I don't do like this.
Okay. Kushwan Singh. Sir, Viraj is doing greedy.
Next.
Sir, what does minimum mean?
Minimum means कम से कम.
Okay. Straight lines क्या होता है sir?
Straight lines are horizontal, vertical and slanting.
Okay.
Said accidentally said the wrong answer. Sir, I accidentally said the wrong answer. Can I send it again?
No.
No. For beta MCQ type, only one chance is allowed.
Accidentally said the wrong.
Yeah, whatever it is, accident or not accident, only
I don't get the meaning of straight. No, not straight, minimum.
minimum बेटा कम से कम. हिंदी तो आती है.
Kam se kam. What is the meaning of, sir, what is the meaning of kam se kam?
Papa kids question है sir.
क्वेश्चन नहीं है,
Three
कंटिन्यू।
dogfish time up.
पक्का किट्टू क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो।
8 है। 8 है ना?
So guys, let's see.
Sir, I
Three
know the
dogfish
answer.
time up. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four.
कितनी हो गई? 4. Then
5, 6,
5,
7,
6, 7.
7, 8,
And
9, 10,
8, 9,
10.
10. And 11 and 12. So have we understood?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir,
Sirius,
repeat the Gittu
Nike, and Ivy will get a kids. Sirius, Nike, and Ivy.
Sir, what is the answer then?
बेटा अभी तो बताया 12.
B part.
Hmm?
Yes.
देखो they have drawn ये L1. ये तो confusing है. Hope you have understood my way. Correct?
Example.
First question, sir. First question.
First question, first question, first question.
First and second question.
Oh.
In the given figures, 1, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Sir, what
6,
I saw
7, 8,
is
9, 10, 11, 12.
Sir,
Somebody
what I
is
saw
speaking.
Sir, what
The
I
answer.
solid. Sir, what I solids.
Solids are 3D shapes.
Sir, sent. Sir, yeah, let's go. Which question? First one to get a heart. Veera, second one. The last third. Let's see. Who will get the last third?
Shagra, look.
What? Mahi got the both wrong.
Mahi is the worst. 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 Mahi is the worst.
Mahi is the worst.
Mahi is the worst. Mahi is the worst. Mahi is the worst. How did anyone living in planet Earth
Want to get
it all wrong? Nike got it all wrong.
Trivedi fourth.
And Mahi.
All right, kids, let's see. So we have
Sir, I heard.
1, 2, 3,
Three,
4, 5,
6,
7,
7,
8,
9,
9.
10, 11, 12, 13.
So I heard Mr. Bedi asking his mom in the last question.
Okay. Next one, so Sirius, Nike, and
no,
Mahi.
sir.
I want to draw this shape. So I can draw from this one. What is the problem, Mahi and Nike?
Sir,
Mahi and Sirius, Nike, what happened?
sir,
Yes.
just I had to send A, but I sent C.
Next, 13th. Third, sorry.
13th, sir.
Third.
Rectangles.
Wait.
Sir,
What did you do?
sir, do.
Sir.
What are you doing?
Sorry, guys.
Sir sent. Tell ma'am to check my first. Always.
इतनी जल्दी कर लिया फिर गलत किया होगा.
नहीं sir.
बाद फिर से चेक कर लो.
Okay. I
अब
will
तो गलत हो
delete
गया.
I will delete the message.
खुशवंत सिंह बेटा इतनी जल्दी क्या है ये बताओ आपको.
Percent.
Percent. Percent again. Sir, Mama is not checking. Sir, tell not to check.
Sir, only Kush got it wrong.
Only Kush got this question wrong.
All right,
But
guys,
in-
let's see.
But in the previous question, you got both the wrong.
So, but this is a bachcha question.
Yes.
No.
So, guys, Kushwant, ये है
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Sir,
This is 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 1 and 2. तो ऐड कर लो,
How is
आंसर आ
this a
जाएगा.
rectangle? How
Which
is
one?
this the smiley one?
This one and this one. Two
Sir,
rectangles.
this is a square.
Beta, it's not a square. Get your eyes checked if you think this is a square. Square ऐसा होता है. ऐसा. समझे? समझे कुशवंत सिंह?
Sir, it is a rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Any bachcha can tell you it's a rectangle.
Sir, but not Midhavi. She cannot tell.
Sir, fourth question. Sir, only fourth question.
Sir, fourth. Sir, fourth.
Fourth and fifth.
No, sir.
Fourth B.
These are bachcha questions.
Okay, sir. Sir, corners के होते हैं.
और मैं अभी नहीं बता सकता.
गलत.
Sir, I can't see the options.
Beta, these are only the options A, B, C, D.
Sir, cent. Myra से ठीक है.
Sir, first one to get a
Ooh, बच्चा question.
I was the first one to get a heart.
But today I'm not going to table tennis.
Chen. Okay, hurry. Doctor, you get it wrong.
And I have.
Sir, when the class ends.
Sir, the class has ended.
No, 5 minutes are left.
How it is 6 o'clock?
Yes. The
So
class
see
started
guys, Jimmy Dogfish, I have a triangular and circular face. So triangular face and circular face. तो
Sir,
क्या
I mistyped.
It
Sir, I
is
mistyped.
प्रॉब्लम था जिमी डॉगफिश इसमें?
Sir, I mistyped. I was trying to send D.
And
Then
Nike, Dr. Eva and Jimmy Dogfish. You have to select the correct match. Corners are these. So it has 8 corners but 12 faces. It has 0 corners but 3 faces because 1, 2 and 3. It has 0 corners and 1 face. So it has 8 corners and 6 faces. 6 faces Sorry, I wrote yes. 12. It is 6 faces and 12 edges.
Sir,
So this will have 6 face and 12 edges.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I sent D. Sir, I sent D for the fifth. I sent D for the fifth, and I
You
mistyped.
have to send in correct order, na?
I mistyped the other one. Sir, the fourth. Accidentally wrote B for the second question.
Checking. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
So you have to do 6th and 7th.
9, 10.
Focus.
God. Me. Maybe.
6th and 7th are such bacha questions.
Sir said. And got a heart. This is such a bacha question. Sir, if everybody gets it right, can it be a kids question?
No, sir. Why?
Open Nike. Jimmy Dogfish again got an easy
Sir,
question.
if
Jimmy Dogfish, which of the following does not have a corner? This has a corner.
1, 2,
This
3,
has
4,
8 corners.
5,
Sir, instead of doing the seventh one, I did the eighth one.
So correct answer will be B. चलो 8th भी करते हैं.
The number of starting lines in the given finger.
Count the number of standing line.
Sir, I sent you a message.
Sir,
Straight. ये देखो. Slanting line in the given figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Sir said.
9, 10, 11.
Hey, Chippy is here.
Sir
She's
said.
troubling you. Is she troubling you?
Yes, sir.
15,
Oh my god.
16.
I'm reading my mails.
Sir, it is a bacha question.
Yes, sir. I sent.
Sir,
Sir, I sent to you by mistake.
what?
Oink.
Sir, I have sent, but ma'am is not checking.
गलत है मम्मा.
Sir, ma'am is not checking.
Sir, chip hit me.
Sir, ma'am is not checking.
This is a kid's question.
Yes, it is.
Sir, it is such a mushkil question. Sir, can we leave?
No.
Sir, it is, sir, my answer
So
should
hope. Oi. Only Mahi. So we have 1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Sir, I don't know.
7, 8, 9,
Sleeping lane.
10, 11, 12,
13, 14,
13,
15, 16.
14, 15, 16 और कहाँ है भाई?
Sir, 16 is only the answer. Yes, sir. I sent 16.
Yes, sir. Also, I sent 16.
Yes, sir. I also sent 16. Sir, I also sent 16.
Okay.
It
बेटा ये
says
आई
in-
थिंक फिगर का थोड़ा सा राइट में पार्ट चला गया था
सर,
इसलिए.
मेरे को पता है
So
कहाँ
for
पर है.
this
सर, मेरे
question
को पता है.
16 is correct. जो फिगर में दिख रहा था ना उसके
सर,
अकॉर्डिंग
ये भी तो है, देखो.
That is the wrong.
सर, ये वाला. जो
बेटा
मेरे
ये
को-
16 is correct. मेरी बात सुनो बेटा, वो नहीं होगा. ये फिगर का राइट पार्ट दिख नहीं रहा था। चलो मैं पूरा पार्ट दिखा के काउंट कर देता हूँ, ठीक है?
Sir,
Can we leave?
So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. अब दिख रहा है फिगर का पूरा पार्ट? रावण पूरा नहीं दिख रहा था हमें।
Mahir get it wrong. The
Mahi will
question.
not get a Gitzo and no one will get a Gitzo. Otherwise, जितना पार्ट दिख रहा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग 16 is the correct answer. All right, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a nice
Bye,
day. Bye bye.
sir.
Kids. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.